Hi guys, today I'm here again. Welcome to my YouTube channel. As you know, and my name is Chua. Yeah, and I'm living in Nongpo village, Laos. Like you know, I'm teaching English to the youth and the children in our village. Yeah, I already started this project since in September 2019. It is already 2 years. Some of you already donate some money to help us. We got new tables, school supplies, new benches, yeah, many things. And one more things like the most important thing that we already got is land. Yeah, we buy land to build a new school or a new classroom for all the children and the youth so they can get a better classroom. The land we bought last time, it is cost around $6,000 if you buy for person to use for personal, but we buy it to build a school for the neighbors children. That's why they sell cheaper for us. It costs $3,000. I already make a video to post on my YouTube channel before that we already bought the land, and I already reviewed the land, the place to you guys, and some of you already see it. So now we will see all the pictures. Yeah, and this is the place we bought last time. So when they break the house out, yeah, and we can start our project. Yeah, and the place is looks like this. Yeah, so here's the place, and we will build a school and an office. So and with the toilet as well. As you see here is some pictures about designing and how we gonna start. Yeah, and we plan to build in 3 rooms, such one is library and two are the classroom, and one is class A for youth class and one is class B for children class. Yeah, and one is office and with the toilet also. Yeah, so toilets we had two rooms, such as one for boy and one for girl. Yeah, and this is what we plan to make a classroom and still have the yard, the garden, so the children can play some sports down there. Like what you see, that is some things that we are going to make. Yeah, every part we start the project, I will make a video to post on my YouTube channel, and you can see how the work is going on, how everything is moving on. You can view all things about the project on my YouTube channel, and I will post there. Yeah, and so you guys can check and how we are working on. I plan to make this fundraiser and to be ready in March 2022, or earlier than that is much more better. So we can start to build the school in April. We'll try as fast as we can, so when we ready the school and we can open very soon for all the kids. Yeah, I spend my time to teach English for all the children for free. Yeah, we don't get money from every class. Yeah, we don't get money from them. We hope a little money from you can make a big change to other people, can make a big change in their life. So I still need to make a financial contribution to complete this project. That's why I'm doing this fundraiser, to ask you all for help. Yeah. Lastly, I deeply thankful and appreciate your help in advance. Yeah, thanks very much.